Welcome fellow overlanders and off-road enthusiasts to another episode of 4X4GULF product review series. In this episode, we will be unboxing a tire pressure monitoring system as well as doing a quick install and review. Stay tuned, and as always, like, subscribe and share. Here we bring you a solar-powered TPMS system. This specific model is a direct fit system and it consists of a sensor installed directly onto the valve of each wheel. These sensors send information relating to the tire pressure and temperature in near real time to a remote monitor. For the purpose of this video, we will be discussing the external sensor install shown here and not in the rim sensor as here. The kit comes with a lock nut wheel that is separated into two parts. One side is to open the sensor and the other is to tighten against the wheel valve. This tightener is used to open the sensor to reveal the battery for when the unit runs low on power and needs to be replaced. Now that we have loosened it a bit, you can see the battery. Now for the install, trust me, it's super easy. Just loosen the wheel valve cap and pay careful attention, as each sensor is pre-programmed and labeled as to where it needs to be installed. Screw in the lock nut and tighten till the end. Then screw in the sensor until you don't hear any more air escaping. Use the tiny wrench supplied in the box to tighten the nut against the sensor. Plug in the supplied micro USB cable to the unit. The unit will automatically power on and you can see the battery status indicator. The unit has 3 buttons on top. If you hold the middle button, you can access the unit settings. Press the leftmost button to cycle through the menu options, starting with the pressure settings, bar or PSI. On clicking the middle button, you move to the temperature settings of degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. Press the middle button again to start setting your tire pressure threshold, meaning if your tire pressure goes above the max set value, you will get an alarm or vice versa. You can also set a threshold for tire temperature to raise alarm if your tire overheats. Once you have completed the setup and as you install the sensors one by one, you will start seeing the current readings of pressures and temperature on the screen. If any of the sensors come loose or is stolen, has any battery issues, or you're simply inflating your tires, your monitor will flash and alert you. Pressing any of the buttons on top will silence the alarm. However, you will continue to observe a value of 0.0 where the sensor has an issue or is missing. Reattaching the sensor to the tire will reset your readouts back to normal. The unit comes equipped with a solar panel, which in addition to your 12-watt light can help charge USB devices. We hope you enjoyed this quick review and install guide. Click on the bell icon for updates on our next video. Stay tuned for more, and thank you for watching.